That's it. That's all you need to do to be in my giveaways. Comment below and then be subscribed. Hey guys, welcome back to Eat with Justine. Today we are going to be having some leftovers from yesterday. I had some friends over and we did Cambodian hot pot, and these are like the only things that I have left over. I have some shrimp and I have like a ton of veggies, the dipping sauce for it, and I'm just going to put it on the grill because I don't want to make a whole nother pot of soup to do a hot pot. So let's plug this in. Turn this on. Probably should have done that a long time ago. And I have some butter on here. This is like all the butter that I have left in my house, so I'll have to make do. But I have some olive oil on the side just in case I need it. And I also have my sukiyaki sauce. Okay. See this? The butter's already starting to move. We did like a little gift exchange yesterday at my house. I didn't get like anyone really crazy presents. Like, I'm still poor. But it was nice just having everyone over, and my friends just got back from Japan and they brought me back some snacks and stuff. So you can catch that in a new video I'll have out. I just want to let you guys know that this is going to be the third time that you can enter into my giveaway for right now. Again, it's $50 Amazon gift card for the winner. If we have over 10,000 subscribers on my channel, then we will bump that up to $100. So good luck to you guys that are entering, and yeah. Let's put the veggies on. Fuck oh fuck. These are pea sprouts. I don't know of like any other culture that uses this. I think pea sprouts are only like in Asian cooking. What am I doing? Fucking dummy. And then some mushrooms. Mushrooms take forever to cook. It's a little bit there. All the butter's gone already. Oh shit. So let's put some cabbage down too. Cabbage and some shrimp. So I peeled all my shrimp. Like, I bought them like full shrimp, and I peeled all of them so that I'm hungry, so that the heads will remain on, so you'll have like something to suck on after your shrimp is cooked. We have some, this is some cabbage, and then we have some bok choy. And it's, are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god. My gardeners sure know how to show up every time I'm fucking recording on a Saturday. Thanks, assholes. Alright, let's just keep cooking. And hopefully, like, by the time the food is done, either I can edit some of this shit out, or I'll just wait for you guys to eat. Okay, so none of this stuff on here is seasoned. What I do is I'll just take it, like, when the vegetables are done, I'll just take it off the grill, and since it's fucking super fucking hot and these gardeners are goddamn loud, you dip it in your sukiyaki sauce to kind of cool it down too. Give it a little blow. So good. Woo! These shrimp and the gardener. That's so good. I love pea sprouts. I seriously don't know any other way to eat them than like on a grill like this. I like stir fried and stuff. They have like this Asian dish where you stir fry it with garlic. So good. And I don't think bok choy and cabbage are meant for a stovetop grilling like this, but fuck. Oh shit. Alright. Let's see how this goes. Let's turn this off right now. Okay. So here's more bean sprouts. I mean pea sprouts. Pea sprouts. Dip it in here. So good. Let's try the shrimp. I left the heads on so that I can suck on them and get all that deliciousness out. Hopefully it didn't dry up. Oh. So hot. So good though. I have a feeling this is gonna burn the freak out of my mouth. I think the gardener's coming by to warn me too. Don't eat that! Oh, ooh. It's good, but it's so hard to tear apart. Let's try the head. And like I said, none of this stuff is seasoned, so I'm just dipping everything in sukiyaki sauce. So good. I hope that you guys all eat shrimp head. Or any kind of head. Okay. Fucking hot. Alright. Drench this with some pea sprouts. Doesn't it look delicious? Oh, it's so hot. I'll do more sauce. Okay. You think I would learn the first time that that shit is fucking hot. But no. Just keep going back. Ooh, this looks so good. Look at this shrimp. Oh, thanks, gardener. Oh, so good. I think they're leaving. Huh. Bye. So bomb. I forgot about you. Let's hit and try this baby bok choy. Yeah. Baby bok choy not that great. That sucks. Okay. This last shrimp, and then we'll put some more on. Now that the gardener's left, and I can have you guys on myself. Never mind. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's turn this on again. I think that's all the pea sprouts. Okay. So like I was saying before the gardener came, what the fuck was I saying? I don't know. Jared doesn't even want to get close to me right now. He's like, Mom, this stuff looks so good right now. It's okay. I like the cabbage was okay. It's just the bok choy is not that great. Maybe I'll make like a soup or something out of it. But the cabbage is alright. So put more of that on. Put this to the side. Let's put more shrimp. The shrimp is really good. I don't know if you guys can tell by the way that I'm eating it, but it's super good. Put more mushrooms. Okay. Okay. So a lot of you guys have been asking me like a bunch of questions on Durs. And since it's gonna be like around 2 years, I think, ever since I got him, I mean, we should do like an all about Durs since he's not over here and it doesn't make sense. So the only video that he's not gonna be running around in the background in is the video that we're gonna do all about Durs, just like we're talking shit about him, because obviously he doesn't give a shit right now. So Durs is an AKC certified full breed French Bulldog. He was born on Halloween. Well, at least that's what his paperwork says. It's and that's what his breeder said, that he was born on 10/31/2014. So this year he turned 2. He is 30 pounds and he's like kind of knee height to me. He's an awesome dog. Honestly, like, I never in a million years thought I would be a person to be getting a dog. Like, I don't know. It just was not me. But ever since I got him, he's been like the greatest thing ever. I used to be like super stressed out all the time, but ever since I got Durs, he's like the best. Oh, look. Put these over here. Kind of getting grilled to the max. These. Pick up some of that shrimp flavor that used to be right there when ooh, some just went over the edge. I'm surprised Durs isn't here to try and catch it. And today, right now, while we are talking right now, my time, it is Christmas Eve, and I had work this morning because our schedule is super weird, but I had work and I was able to get out of there in like a couple hours to finish up just some stuff that needed to be done. And I took Durs with me, and now I have nothing to do all day. So I thought I would make a mukbang. I feel like this is going to be a long one too, because there's a lot of preparation when it comes to eating this kind of stuff. No. Something like this. I love pea sprouts. I don't know how this cabbage is going to turn out. I think this one's done. Let's see. And mushroom. I don't think eating this much sukiyaki sauce is good for you, but fuck it. Ooh, don't the pea sprouts look so good? They're good when like they get a little bit crispy, but right when they get soft too, they're still like really freaking good. Might as well just put the rest of the shrimp on her. Duh, just saying. some more oil, and then not even that many shrimp, but let's do it. Hey. Okay, let's wait for this to cook. I'm trying to save my veggies so that I'll have like veggies to eat with the shrimp, because I don't think the other stuff is gonna be good. I think this one's done. Okay. Water. This one. Oh fuck. See that? There's a shrimp in there. Ooh, you see all that? The inside head part leaked out. Oh well. Oh, why is it so hot? I don't know if I can finish those last 3 shrimps, guys. Make sure I got everything. Oh, okay. This just came off, so I guess I'll have to eat it. Like a little bit more suki yaki sauce. And I'm full. Okay, I'm gonna take a nap after this. Okay. Oh, my glass is foggy. That was good. I'm glad I didn't have to go anywhere to go get food or whatever. I could just eat the leftovers I had from yesterday. It was so much satisfying this time around as well. But that's all I can eat for today. Oh, no. Yeah, that's literally all I could eat for today. So don't forget, subscribe if you haven't, so we can get to that 10,000 so I can give a $100 Amazon gift card away. Make sure you comment, and that's it. That's all you need to do to be in my giveaways. Comment below and then be subscribed. So this is your 3rd chance to enter right now. Let's see how many more videos that we can do before the deadline is up. So until next time, guys, come back and eat with me again soon, okay? Bye!